Keep your head up, Cedar. Take him down, Cedar. Take him down. There you go. Stay behind him. Stay on. Get on top. Okay, get on top. Now roll him. Roll him. Roll him, Cedar. Roll him. Roll him. Roll him. Cedar. Cedar. You got to control his wrists. Get in there, Cedar, and get on top of his head. Go, Cedar, take him down. Take him down. Take him down now. Take him down. Get off your knees, Cedar. Hook his leg right there. Hook it right there. There you go. Go, one more. One more. Pick him up, Cedar. Cedar, one takedown.